Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Husqvarna 130BT carburetor is probably one of the most critical components of your leaf blower, directly impacting its performance and efficiency, and today we're diving deep into what makes a great replacement or upgrade for this specific model, ensuring your equipment runs at peak performance for those demanding yard tasks. Number 5. Husqvarna 130BT Backpack Leaf Blower. Introducing the Husqvarna 130BT, a powerful backpack leaf blower designed for demanding tasks. It offers exceptional clearing performance to tackle any job. Experience the innovative X-Torque engine. It significantly reduces harmful emissions and improves fuel efficiency, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Its offset handle design allows for easy control of the blowing force. This prevents arm strain, ensuring comfortable operation even during extended use. With its powerful engine and efficient fan, this tool delivers high air speed and airflow. It provides the capacity you need for most clearing jobs. The air purge system removes air from the carburetor and fuel system. This ensures quick and easy starting every time you need to use it. This commercial-style backpack blower is built for tough jobs. Its combination of performance, fuel economy, and low emissions makes it a reliable workhorse. What we like. This model boasts an X-Torque engine for reduced emissions and better fuel efficiency. If you're looking for powerful clearing performance with environmental consciousness, this is a great choice. It's ideal for users who need to tackle demanding tasks while minimizing their carbon footprint. What people say. This blower works so well and has so much power that you can blow wet pine needles off the lawn with ease. It also has the power to move large sticks, twigs, and green pine cones effortlessly. The auto throttle feature with just a flick of your thumb. Finger fatigue is a thing of the past with this blower. Number 4. MOTOALL 504116101 Carburetor for RedMax Backpack Blower. This is a premium carburetor designed to replace your old or faulty one. It ensures your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. Specifically engineered for various RedMax backpack blower models, including the 130BT and 530BT series. It's a direct fit for seamless installation. This package comes complete with a fuel line and filter, providing everything you need for a complete carburetor system replacement. It is designed to fit models from 2007 through 2013, ensuring broad compatibility with your existing RedMax equipment. You will receive the exact carburetor assembly as shown in the product images. We guarantee the quality and completeness of your order. What we like. This carburetor is specifically designed for the 130BT model, ensuring a perfect fit. If you need a straightforward replacement part for your 130BT, this option provides exactly what you need. It's perfect for users who want a hassle-free repair. What people say. The carburetor is a direct fit for the Husqvarna 130BT blower. It starts and runs smoothly after installation. The product arrived quickly and was exactly what was needed. Number 3. MOTOKU Tune-Up Kit for Leaf Blowers. Is your leaf blower running rough? Give it a new lease on life with this comprehensive tune-up kit. It's designed to restore optimal performance. This kit includes a new carburetor, fuel line, and spark plug. These are high-quality replacements designed for a perfect fit. It's compatible with popular models from RedMax and Husqvarna, ensuring a seamless replacement. Get your powerful blower back in action. Engineered to directly replace specific Walbro carburetor numbers and OEM part numbers. You can trust it will fit your machine. With these essential components, you can easily perform the necessary maintenance. Experience improved power and efficiency after installation. Don't let a worn-out carburetor or spark plug slow you down. This tune-up kit ensures your equipment runs smoothly and reliably. What we like. This comprehensive tune-up kit includes a carburetor, fuel line, and spark plug, making it a complete solution for maintenance. If you're looking to refresh your Husqvarna 350BT or 150BT, or compatible RedMax models, this kit offers excellent value. It's ideal for those who want to restore their blower's performance with a single purchase. What people say. The Husqvarna 130BT Carburetor is a direct fit for the 125B model, ensuring compatibility and easy installation. This carburetor effectively restores the power and performance of the Husqvarna 130BT blower, making it run like new again. The product arrived quickly and was exactly as described, providing a reliable replacement part for the blower. Number 2. USPEEDA Carburetor Fuel Line Kit for Husqvarna 130BT 530BT. Upgrade your Husqvarna backpack blower with this high-quality carburetor and fuel line kit. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. This kit is a direct replacement for part number 504116101WIA73A. Ensure a perfect fit and easy installation for your equipment. It's engineered to fit Husqvarna backpack blowers like the 130BT and 530BT. It also works with RedMax models EBZ3050RH, EBZ3000RHCA, BCZ3060TS, BCZ2400S, BCZ2500, and GZ25 and 14 GZ25 and 23 engines. You'll receive everything you need for a full replacement: 1 carburetor, 2 gaskets, 2 primer bulbs, 1 fuel line kit, and 1 fuel filter. Get your order quickly with our fast USA shipping. We ensure you receive your parts promptly to minimize downtime. What we like. This kit offers a complete carburetor replacement solution, including gaskets, primer bulbs, and fuel lines. If you own a Husqvarna 130BT or 530BT and need a full set of parts for the job, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for users who want all necessary components for a successful carburetor replacement. What people say. The carburetor is a direct fit for the Husqvarna 130BT blower. It comes with all the necessary gaskets for installation. The engine started up and ran smoothly after installation. Number 1. HURI Carburetor for Husqvarna 130BT Backpack Blower. Upgrade your Husqvarna 130BT backpack blower with this premium carburetor. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your original part. This carburetor is specifically made to fit the Husqvarna 130BT model, ensuring a seamless installation and optimal performance. The package comes complete with the carburetor, a matching gasket, and 2 primer bulbs for a full service. Don't let a faulty carburetor slow you down. Get your backpack blower running like new again with this reliable part. This is a non-original replacement part, offering excellent value without compromising on quality or functionality. What we like. This carburetor is a direct replacement part for the Husqvarna 130BT, ensuring compatibility and ease of installation. If you're experiencing issues with your 130BT's carburetor and need a reliable replacement, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for users who want a specific, non-original part to get their blower running again. What people say. This carburetor is a direct fit for the Husqvarna 130BT blower. It starts and runs the blower perfectly after installation. The included gaskets make for a good seal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.